G'day all. I used to mow lawns and stuff and do a bit of landscaping professionally when over in New Zealand, and people ask me how to clean a lawnmower underneath. Well, you look down here, over here, mate, you'll see a small hole, right, in some of these lawnmowers. Right, good on you, mate, just back off. And that's designed, if you didn't know, to, once the lawnmower's cooled down a bit, to start the lawnmower and put the water down, and it cleans the blades. So we'll have a look. Just back off there, mate. We've got the lawnmower going. Not very fast. Down here. Let's clean the blades. Alright, off. And what do you reckon, two? You get it all right? And what are you doing, Con? Oh, you dirty little boy. Gee.